Okay, hello boys and girls, it's 4:24. Oh man, do this first. It's 12 April 2018, okay? Alright, it's 4:12 in the afternoon. Alright, so now I just want to go through this real fast. Open with, okay, here we are. Here's the front of this unit, okay? It's, got that on the end there. That's a better picture, okay, nice and pretty. The auxiliary, the beat cut, that's for the amp for recording, your earphone, your auxiliary, and your microphone, and the remote control for the old-timey microphones. Then you have there, that little thing. It's a JVC. Takes AC input, it has world voltage, you can select it from there. It has a 12-volt DC input, okay, and that's just a full view of the tuner end. Okay, that's the back. Looks like that in the back. Okay, it's got some paint flecks on there, and that's just more. Had batteries in it. Okay, it's the bottom. I took the tape off finally. Doesn't have a complete antenna. Okay, that's the. Anyway, I've got more pictures of that. It's just I took more pictures of this because I need to. All right, so. All right, and then. Now here it is with, I'm about to turn the light switch on, so it looks dark, okay? And here I turned it on, so it does light up. I just want to show that, okay? It tunes, okay? And this is the screws it takes out, or it comes off the back. The top three are machine thread, the rest are plastic. Okay, that's just another overview. And you pop it open, the back comes off like that. This is your antenna wire, the white one. It goes, it's very short, it goes right there onto the circuit board of the tuner. This is the negative wire from the battery, and then the red one is down there. We'll get to that. Again, that's the, it just plugs in right there on the motherboard, okay, of the tuner. Alright, this is, that's where the negative wire for the battery compartment goes, right here on top, okay? Again, when you pop the back open, that's what it looks like. Okay, so then I remove the antenna wire, which goes up here. It goes up there. All right. Then the main power lead, which is, the negative power lead goes there. It's actually written on that circuit board, so it's hard to goof up. This is the red lead from the battery compartment, okay? And then there's just a full back picture inside, okay? That's a picture of the back, picture of that, there, this, that. It takes a tweeter, which is 6 ohms, 3 watts, okay? The mid-range is 6 ohm and half a watt. It's a sealed back, and then this is a 6 ohm, 5 watt woofer, okay? And just another picture, and this is where the screws go. I was taking these pictures, so you got one that goes there, okay? You got one that goes there, alright? And then, let's see, moving along. You got a screw that goes here, there, and here. I'll show that in a second. There you go, one in each hole, okay? And then here's an overview shot. Let's see, one screw goes, okay, using my magnet picker upper things, one screw goes there, one goes here, one goes there. This one here in the top goes there, the one by the flashlight goes right up here in the corner. And then this little one with a little wire catch holder thing goes right there on the corner of the motor, and that one goes there, okay? So moving along, okay, so, yeah, did that, alright. And it just practically falls out. After you have all the screws out. It looks like this. Okay, so there you go. Then here I'm just trying to show the fitment of the belts. It comes up one side, there we go, that's a real good picture. Comes up the belt there, goes around the idler, which actually does something, and then goes around the flywheel, which is up here. Okay, so that's it, that's the main flat belt. Okay, and this is just a view of the that side there, and it takes idler tires, which are driven by the jack shaft, driven by the back side. And then this is just that view, and then I wanted to see what the amp chip was finally, so it's a AN7145. That's all you need to know. It's 7.5 watt amplifier chip. Okay. These are just other pictures I took. Oh, I was trying to show the recording bar, which is right here. This is from the bottom. Okay, so that's the recording bar. You need to spray stuff down it to make the thing work. Okay, in case you don't have sound. This is just other pictures that I took. Alright, and then that's just more. Okay, that's turned the flash off, so. And then that's just an overview. And then here, lastly, I was trying to replace the antenna, so I got all the tools I got, which is liquid wrench. You know, it does work, but I just could not get this to come undone. Sorry, because I was going to use. I even take a picture of that. No, that was it. So yeah, it didn't make it. Okay, well. So there's the back of it all back together. There's the front of it. It's 419 in that picture. And that again. Okay, so now let me just take the camera here and see, where's the remote? Here's the remote. Just wide out. Okay. Yeah. Wide out. Okay, and then just bring this around. Here it is. So.
Tickets are sale now. Newsboys United. Produced by Phil the Gap Concert.
See that there? It's working like that. Turn that off.
Get the Word 1.7 FM app for your mobile device. This is the Word.
So those light up like that, and of course if you turn the switch off,
Broderick, it's sponsored by
it doesn't do anything. So okay, so turn the switch back on.
the Word. 100 points.
Yeah, they are. All right, so that.
Of God, the praise of God, the knowledge of Him, the joy of God.
No
They
treble,
enjoy what
no
God
bass,
enjoys,
all
His
the
own
bass.
awesomeness, His love.
That
Wow!
works.
You know what it's like? It's
We got shortwave. I couldn't fix the antenna, so that's all we got here. I did loosen it, but I can't get it to unscrew completely. So, and I couldn't find here. I'll put it in this video. I've got a antenna that'll fit, but it's coming off of another radio that does work. So, I just don't have enough time to spend on this. So, let's see here. So I got that. So what else? Okay, oh, let's play the tape. So we got tape. Flip it to tape. Of course, you can cue it. It means to go fast forward. And of course, flip it over. There, flip it over. Hit play again. Alright, what happened? And of course you can rewind with it, so it goes like that. You notice the tape kind of rolling along here. Okay, and oh yeah, let's see. I don't know how this tape counter. Okay, tape counter memory is on. Let's see here. So if we hit play, cue it forward, and hit stop. Now let's hit play and hit rewind. Okay, maybe if it goes that way. Well, okay. I don't know how this memory thing works. Let's see here. Okay, so fast forward a bit. I guess it only works when you're rewinding. So it's on, it should stop, or something. Didn't stop. Okay, well, not my feature. I don't know. I don't do memories. Okay, well that's all I'm going to do, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. I got to go pack it up now, alright? Thank you. Bye-bye. There's no way, so here's